Hey guys, welcome to Bible, Beards, and Man Stuff. Actually today, we're going to do a little man stuff. Come here, I'll show you what we're going to do. I just loaded up in the back of the Tahoe. This is 500 feet of 3/4 inch tubing. And you may ask, what in the world are you going to do with that? We're going to build tonight a fish habitat, home structure, artificial structure. And then we're going to take these and we're going to drop them in Carlisle Lake, and that's what we're going to use for crappie fishing. But anyway, I'm headed over to one of my friends' house, one of my best friends, and he's my fishing partner, and we're going to make a fish habitat home out of this 3/4 inch tubing, a 5-gallon bucket, some concrete, and this is going to be pretty cool. You're going to enjoy this. All right, here we are. We're at Dave's house, and here's where we're going to make the fish habitat. Remember the 500 feet of 3/4 inch tubing that we're going to cut in pieces and drill holes in a 5-gallon bucket, stick them all in there, fill it full of concrete, and then we're going to take them to the lake. So join us tonight. This is going to be fun. All right, here we are in Dave's garage, getting ready to make our fish habitat. Here's our 5-gallon bucket. And then we're going to cut a base with this 1.25 PVC. And then we're going to put this tubing on it. All right, here you can see our 5-gallon bucket and all of our random holes that we've drilled. And there's going to be little fish swimming all around this. And we're going to catch Dave, we're going to catch a lot of crappie in that thing, right? And what we're going to do, we're going to put some more in the top, but we're going to fill this full of cement here in a moment. And then we'll have them shooting out the top as well. All right, let's get a little closer look at what we got going on here. I think we can catch some fish off of that, you think?
I think so.